channel. Today I have a special treat for all of you, and before I forget, Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. Hellomas is here, so why not get into a makeup tutorial or eyeshadow review. I have this amazing eyeshadow that I want to review today. It's Halloween themed, Christmas, and Halloween. What comes to mind is The Nightmare Before Christmas, and this is the wonderful Nightmare eyeshadow palette. Super beautiful, nice strong casing, beautiful display, and I love the glittery shimmer of it. Very sparkly, spooky, Halloween, Christmas, all of it wrapped in one. I took the palette out here and I'm going to do some swatches. The wind has kind of calmed down a little bit. If there is some wind, I'm sorry about that, but I'm going to take some brushes here and I'm going to dab into some of these and show you the swatches on my arm. This one is the shade Something's Up with the Jack. Sheer peachiness. This one is Now and Forever. Don't really show up. This one is called Trick or Treat. That one's a little bit better. A lot darker, for sure. And there's some fallout, as you can see. Dipping into Snake Eyes. Lovely orange reddish shade here. Then we have Gambling Boogeyman. Nice light buildable green shade with some fallout. This one is Deadly Nightshade, a black color, but let's see how black it is. Blackish gray color. I'm getting cold here, look at that. I'm freezing myself. Christmas Town. Really nice teal looking shade. Ooh, look at that. That's pretty. That's the best one and darkest one out of all of them so far. We're going to dive into Halloween Town. Oh, that's a nice gray shimmery purple sort of shade here. Zero's Nose. Ooh, that's pretty. Then we have Make Them Scream. That'd probably go great with these shades right up here. Right there. A lighter shade than this one. I'm running out of arm room. This one is Moonshade. Beautiful purple one, and it goes great into that like silvery shade right here. Last but not least, Mr. Unlucky. A nice, really white shade. Like, wow. These are all the swatches for the wonderful Nightmare eyeshadow palette from Hot Topic. I'm going to use this lovely red shade right here. Very festive for the holidays. That will go on my lid around here. I forgot to mention one thing that I did prime my face before making the video. I used a Wet n Wild Photo Focus eyeshadow primer, which is amazing. You should definitely get some. It works really well. For the corner of my eyes, I'm taking the shade Gamblin' Boogeyman right here. This one was snake eyes right here, this lovely red shade. And these are glittery shades, so nice and festive for the holiday season.
This time, making Christmas. Making Christmas.
I love the casing on this. Look at the beautiful designs. It's all the Christmas presents that the children made in Christmas Town and gave everyone to the regular Christmas Town.
And what did Santa bring you, honey?
I would love to get one of these gifts. Oh, hi. Over there, cameraman. Just awesome. And I don't know what these shades are for, but I'll figure it out later. I'm going to take this lovely golden shade called Zero's Nose, as you can see right here. I'm just going to add that to the top part of the crease right here and blend it into the red shadow. The final shade that I'm going to use is this really awesome white one. It's called Mr. Unlucky. I'm using that for my brow bone highlight and inside the corner of my eyes, right in this region, right in here. I'm sorry about the terrible lighting. It's really super windy outside and I didn't think that would be very constructive for the video, but I still wanted to make the video. I'm gonna complete my eyeliner off camera along with the rest of my face and come back to you with my fun holiday look. This is the final look. Thank you for watching my video. If you liked it, please give it a huge thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe. Why not? It's free. And don't forget to press the notification bell. And you'll be notified when I post new videos, which is typically every Wednesday and Saturday, so be on the lookout for those. As always, I'll talk to all of you next time. Bye, everyone.
This time.